Introduction to Windows 7. You will learn. Student will be able to define Windows as user-friendly software that operates the computer. Identify the different versions of Windows available. Label the first screen that comes after starting Windows. Demonstrate the use of mouse on Windows desktop. Choose different menus that come from the Start menu. Select any option by clicking on the mouse. Windows is a great software which operates the computer parts according to the commands given by us. If there are windows in your computer, only then you will be able to use the mouse. There are many versions of the Windows, that is, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Windows 7 is still user-friendly and the most popularly used Windows operating system. When the Windows is loaded, it will also show you a tilt arrow known as pointer. The pointer represents the movement and function of the mouse. We move on the mouse pad so that the pointer can go on to any certain object or command displayed on the screen to enable you to choose it. Think of the mouse as an electronic extension of your hand. You will learn how to perform the two most basic mouse actions: clicking, double-clicking. Clicking means pressing and releasing the left mouse button one time. The mouse makes a clicking noise whenever you press and release one of its buttons, hence the name is clicking. Double-clicking means pressing the left mouse button twice without releasing. Let's learn the major parts of Windows 7. Desktop. The large background area of the Windows screen. You can customize the desktop by adding shortcuts to your favorite programs, documents, and printers. You can also change the look of the desktop to fit your mood or personality. Documents. Documents is a special folder that provides a convenient place to store files and documents you create on your computer. Computer lets you see everything on your computer. Double-click the computer icon on the desktop to browse through your files and folders, etc. Network. The network icon gives you a visual indication of network connection status of your computer that you use to connect to a wireless network, wired Ethernet network, dial-up, or other network connections. Recycle bin. The recycle bin stores all the files you delete from your computer. You can use the recycle bin to retrieve files you deleted by accident, or you can empty the recycle bin to create more disk space. Taskbar. The taskbar usually appears at the bottom of your screen, and it contains the famous Start button, which you use to start your programs. Whenever you open a program, document, or window, an icon for that program appears on the taskbar. This lets you see which programs are running and easily switch between them. The Start button lets you quickly open your programs and documents. You can also use the Start button to find files and change the settings for Windows. Quick Launch Toolbar. The Quick Launch Toolbar gives you quick access to your most frequently used programs. Exiting Windows and shutting down the computer. Whether or not you shut down your computer or not, you should always follow these steps at the end of the day when you have finished using your computer. Click the Start button and then click on the Shutdown button.